the part. If you recall multi-view sketching, this is how you do that in Inventor, but then add dimensions as well. First thing I'm going to do is go to Projects and make sure that I'm in the correct project where all my parts are. In this case, my project is called Challenge Parts, and there's a check mark there. Next, I'm going to go to New, and in this screen, I'm going to choose a new drawing, and I'm going to choose mth.idw. This is Montlake Terrace High School's drawing standard. If you notice here, standard IPT is what you've been using. There's a single chunk of material that's a part. This is several parts put together. It's an assembly. You'll learn how to use that in a few weeks. And here's a 3-view drawing of a part. Well, that's what we'll be doing, so that picture is the type of file we want to use. All right, so this window here pops up, and it will help personalize the multi-view drawing. I'll put my name. I will put my teacher. And I will put my class period. And here we are. We're in a new mode of Inventor. You'll notice you have different buttons than you're used to, and obviously the screen looks different. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so anything we do here will print pretty straightforward. You'll notice here student name, teacher name, and the class period and the date have all automatically populated, so I'm ready to go. Just like with multi-view drawing, my first step is to choose a front view. In Inventor, they call that the base view because all the other views are based on it. I go to Open Existing File, and because I'm in the correct project, in this case Challenge Parts, I can easily find the part that I'm working on. It's called the Holy Doorstop. So I can use this rotation tool to determine what the most detailed front view is, shows the best contour of the part, shows the longest dimension, and is sitting in a natural view. Same rules you use for a front view and multi-view. I like this view. If I needed to change the scale, I can do that right here to make sure that I have enough room on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And I feel like I can get away with a 1-to-1 scale. So I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to bring my front view to the bottom left-hand corner where front views go. We can go to the next button here called Projected View. And it's going to create my top view, my side view, and I can put an isometric view here if I'd like. Nothing works until I hit right-click, Create. A little easier than multi-view, isn't it? The next button I'm going to go into, I go to Annotate, and I'm going to find the dimensioning tool. Here's where you can practice using all of your dimensioning rules. I'm going to put a dimension between this line and this point to show the overall length of the part. If this window pops up, just select here so that you don't edit the dimension every time you create it. And I can go between this line and this line, create my overall height. I need a height to this point. Let's get a angle from here to here. Now, I'm going to violate a dimensioning law, and I'm going to put that angle on the part because there's really no other place to clearly put that. I need a dimension from here to here, from here to here. I'm going to break another dimensioning law and let these extension lines cross. because I think that's clearer than cramming that in there. I like to have a nice border around my part where there aren't any dimensions. Need to have the location of the circle. Oh, lost my dimensioning tool. Now I could put that up there, but then this dimensioning number, the dimension is here stuck in the extension line, and that's not very easy to read. So I'm going to break another dimensioning rule that says that you should put these dimensions between the views, like between the front and the top and the front and the side. But again, for clarity's sake, I'm going to put these dimensions out to the side. See how nicely those line up? When you make dimensions, Inventor has these little stop points where it'll lock the dimension to. See where it kind of clicks in there like that? That keeps everything more organized for you and makes things look a little bit more attractive. Looks like I need one more dimension here. I'm going to bring that all the way off the part there. Need to show the thickness of that area there. And I need one more dimension from here to there. All right, that looks a little cramped. So I'm going to get out of the dimensioning tool. So here I am in the dimensioning tool, no options, hit OK, and now I'm out. And now I can select that and pull it out one level. Put that one in the middle there. And that's nice and organized. That looks good. All right, I have a hole, which means I need a center mark right there. And as I look at this, I need that dimension here. I'm going to line that up with this one. And I should be good. So this is a fully dimensioned drawing. Notice I did have to break a rule or two in order to improve clarity. And you're going to be asked to do this with a variety of other sketches in the assignment. So, as always, guys, spend a little time experimenting with these tools, get comfortable with them. If you have questions, ask the person next to you to check your dimensioning scheme and make sure all the information is there. And always ask for help if you need it. That's it.